Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. If you are looking for a quick and easy dish that's both healthy and delicious, this recipe for broccoli and carrots stir fried with basil is a perfect choice for you. Also, is soy sauce free. So, guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So for this recipe, I'm going to use about 4 to 5 medium-sized carrots. We're going to peel and cut them into maybe 1/2 inch pieces. Make sure your carrots are cut into uniformly sized pieces so that they can cook evenly at the same time. Once done cutting, we're going to place them into a bowl, then set aside. Okay, now let's move on to work on the broccoli. Here I have 2 heads of broccoli that I'm going to be using. They're already washed. So we're going to cut off the top stem and discard. Then cut the broccoli head into small florets, about 1 to 2 inches in size. After finishing cutting the broccoli, we're going to go ahead and rinse the florets in cold water and drain well. The other thing you can do also, guys, if the stalks are tender, you can slice them into thin rounds or batons and add them to the stir fry as well, which I'm not going to do. Also, you can cut the carrot pieces into matchsticks or julienne if you prefer. Simply stack a few carrot slices on top of each other and cut them into thin, even strips. This method works well for adding carrots to salads or stir fries. This recipe is so versatile. I think in the coming weeks I'll be showing you a variety of stir frying broccoli with carrots with different ingredients. And for today, we are not going to use soy sauce, guys. And without the addition of soy sauce, this stir fry is light and refreshing, making it a great option for those who prefer to avoid soy or are looking for a low sodium meal. Next, I have the wok going with 2 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna go ahead and add the broccoli florets and sliced carrots to the wok. Then we're gonna stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender. Next, we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. Continue to stir fry for another 2 minutes. Add basil and continue to stir fry for 1 minute. Next, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of water. Then we're gonna cover with the lid and reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are fully covered. The basil here is a game changer, guys. When added to a a dish, it can provide a refreshing and aromatic note that complements other flavors in the dish. In a broccoli and carrot stir fry, the basil adds a bright, fresh flavor that balances the sweetness of the carrots and the slight bitterness of the broccoli. It also provides a pleasant fragrance that enhances the overall eating experience. You will love it. Try this recipe, guys, and let me know how it turned out for you. After 5 minutes, your broccoli is done, guys. Look, the water has dried up and it's ready to be served with your favorite protein or starch. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.